Hello my dear students. Very good evening. This is Sundar Sir here. Hey guys, how's everybody? Oh no, Samhita, come on. Cheh. May your soul rest in peace, Samhita. Guys, thank you so much for joining this session. Today we are starting a brand new chapter, H2O, water. Correct? So there are a lot of things that you know about water, a lot of things you're going to get to know. Okay, we'll ask one very generic question. Guys, do you think if water is not there, life can exist? If water is not there, can life exist on earth? No. Everyone is saying no. Good. So guys, so that is so important, right, for us to live. So we are going to discuss about water. So part 1 and part 2 of water today and tomorrow, and day after, that is on Friday, we will have a boomerang session on this chapter. So we will complete the chapter today and tomorrow. Cool? So this is the schedule for you. Have a quick look at it. Alright, great. So guys, in case you do not know much about Vedanta Young Wonders, you're wondering what it is all about, this channel is for 6th, 7th and 8th grade students. And what do we cover? We cover almost everything for these students. Academic, non-academic, complete support by the amazing master teachers of the channel. So academically, mathematics, science, social and English, we got you covered pretty almost everywhere, right? Entire year syllabus guys, not just 1 or 2 days. And non-academically, aspirational videos you can see, science fiction related series and videos you can see, IT, technology related, coding related series you can see. Almost it's like a one destination for all of you. So do not forget to subscribe. We are already a family of 5.5, almost more than 5 million subscribers. So guys, yeah, sorry, 500,000 subscribers. I wish we were 5 million. So curly pens, Arvind, I will do that beta, thank you. Ranjani is asking, sir, how is the COVID going on? Yeah, guys, I think it is slowly coming down. Last time in the first wave also we thought like this, so second wave came like a bang, so we don't know. Keeping my fingers crossed. But yes, I pray to the God that it just gets over. Enough of wearing masks, enough of everything, right? When will we be the way we were living before 2 years? Okay, guys, fun fact as usual. The most talkative bird in the world is African grey parrot. One African grey parrot can speak about around 800 words. Generally, parrots can remember or speak generally around 50 words. Look at this African grey parrot, 800 words it can remember and speak. Wow. Awesome, right? So time to start. Shall we? Ready all of you? So much fan noise is there, Dipanshi? Hold on. Yeah. Is it okay now? Better now? Right. Guys, move on. Let's move on. Water. Hey guys, what are we going to deal with today? We are going to discuss introduction to water. Distribution of water bodies. Guys, can you tell me what are water bodies, different water bodies, a few? Come on, speak. Mention a few water bodies. Let me see what do you remember, what you think about. Come on, guys. Hey, Akshit. Can you mention a few water bodies? Yeah, Ananya is saying river. Am I audible, guys? Is it kind of okay now? Yeah. So introduction now. Guys, when we speak about water bodies, we are referring to rivers, sea, ocean, lakes, everything, right? Pond. Okay, introduction. Water, we know that it is, without water no one can survive. All plants as well as animals need water to survive. Correct? And if there is no water, no. My dear students, guys, I'm very sorry. I think there is some technical issue in my laptop suddenly. In case this, the crash happens again, I will reschedule this session. Okay, I will be continuing with this session now. But in case it happens again, it crashed, the laptop crashed, and I tried restarting it. So if it happens again, please excuse me. I will ensure this session is rescheduled. Okay? Very sorry about it, guys. My apologies. Okay. Now coming back, as I said, without water there is no life on earth. Guys, safe drinking water is called as potable water. What is it called? Safe drinking water. It is called as potable water. Right? Now, what is water cycle? Guys, we have water. With the temperature of the earth, water becomes vapor. That process is called evaporation. And then it gets into the clouds. Right? Due to the air pressure as well as the cloud condensation, the clouds will not be able to hold the water. They start precipitating. As rain, it comes down. Again, the same process starts. Alright? So, water is there in the land. It could be in any water body. Water gets evaporated and gets onto the clouds. Cloud condensation happens, and then without being able to hold the weight, it starts precipitating, coming down. Right? And again, so this cycle is called as water cycle. The process by which water keeps changing its form. Alright? So, and they keep circulating between land, the ocean, that is oceans, atmosphere and land. They keep circling. This is called water cycle. Is everyone clear what is the water cycle? Guys, is it okay now? I do not know what happened. Yeah, so I'm just let me repeat it. Our earth is like a terrarium. See guys, the water which is existing today, because of this water cycle and the processes, it might goes anywhere else, right? Today water exists, when it becomes a vapor, gets onto the clouds travel anywhere. So the water which we have used to irrigate a field in Haryana could have been something before hundreds of years. The same water could have flown in Amazon. We don't know, right? Isn't it amazing to think about this? Yeah. So what is terrarium? An artificial closed container in controlled atmosphere. Inside a container you keep house plants. There are so many houses where inside the house, right, you see a container with house plants, right? That's called terrarium. The same container, if it has water and you have fishes, it is called aquarium. Correct? Great, Gaurav. Keep it up, beta. So what are the sources of water? Guys, we already spoke about it. I asked you to mention a few water bodies, remember? Rivers, ponds, springs, glaciers, everything. Alright, and remember this, in water we have fresh water and salt water. Whatever I just mentioned, rivers, ponds, they are sources of fresh water. Sources of salt water is very easy, right? Ocean and seas. So guys, most of the salt is sodium chloride or the common table salt that we have on a daily basis, right? Correct? Great. So what is fresh water, guys? Can you tell me what is fresh water? What is fresh water? Come on guys, give it a shot. What is fresh water? The water which I just drank. Water which we can consume, you call that as fresh water, which we can consume for domestic use. Fresh water. Okay? Water found in the seas as well as oceans, that's salt water. Alright guys, I'm sure many of you know about this, but I do not know how many of you knew here. Vedanta has come out with a lovely subscription called Vedanta Pro. A subscription where you have an opportunity to learn from the best teachers, and Vedanta gives a guarantee. That is, if you join the subscription, already you will be studying from an amazing set of teachers. On top of that, if you complete 75% of the classes and tests that we give you, we guarantee improvement in your marks. Sir, guarantee? Yes, we promise. If it is not happening, take your money back. But minimum 75% attendance, 75% test completion. Right, so what is so special about the subscription? Unlimited live classes with these amazing teachers. When you study from great teachers, everything will be so clear for you. You become super strong as a student, right? And anytime you miss a session, interactive replays are there. Content which you can download at the end of the session, all what the teacher taught. One click, everything gets downloaded. So that means when the teacher is teaching, you can focus on understanding. Don't take notes. In one click, you can take all of them. Right? So doubts are super important. But do not leave any class with any doubt in mind. So in class, n number of doubts you can get them solved. And on top of this, look at the bonus. Unlimited topic-wise, chapter-wise micro courses. And if you're preparing for boards or competitive exams, free crash courses also. All these things. Lot of features, lot of benefits, lesser price. Guys, sir, I want to join. What should I do now? There is a link given in the description. Click on the link. Use this coupon code SRPRO to get a discount. SRPRO. So when you click on the link, it will ask you for your grade and your board. Type them. It will take you to this page where you can see there are in this Vedanta Pro subscription, there are 3. Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Premium. So Pro Lite is unlimited classes with the teachers, tests, assignments and doubt solving inside the class. That's Pro Lite for you. But along with all these things, if doubt solving outside the class through mobile app is also included, it becomes Pro Classic. But along with all the features of Pro Classic and Pro Lite, if you also have a personal mentor given to you, who will coach you, who will guide you, and you don't have a batch more than 15 students, then that is Pro Premium. So Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Premium, you can pick whichever you want. You can either try for 1 month or choose the complete subscription. All the best guys, okay? Click on apply coupon, irrespective of whether it is 1 month or complete course. Click on apply coupon, type SRPRO. Sir, how many subjects? Math, physics, chemistry, biology, English, social. 6 subjects. Monthly, you know what? 1710 for light. 6 subjects, 1710 to study from the best teachers of India. What more you want? Classic, 2520, 1 month. Premium, 5400. Guys, all the best. Please make use of it. Use this coupon code SRPRO. On top of all these features, the blessed price, we give you Vedantu's guarantee as well. Correct? So all you have to do is attend 75% classes, 75% test should be completed. Alright, in case there is no progress, look here. No questions asked, get your course fee back. So Vedantu, right, improvement promise enrollment. Last date is 13th of September, guys. Because after that, we can't cover the entire year, right? So, please make use of it. 30th September, hurry up, guys. Sir, when is the batch starting? These are the dates when batches are starting. For CBSE, ICSE, MHT, even Olympiads and mathematics. And in case you are in 8th grade, wanting foundation courses, JEE or NEET, these are the dates. All the best, guys. If you are in Pro Premium, CBSE 13th and 27th September, 7th and 8th grades 20th September. 6th grade is 13th and 27th. All the best, guys. The link again, once again reminding you, the link is there in the description. To get a discount, use coupon code SRPRO. All the best. Now let's come back to class. Distribution of water bodies. Hey guys, we all know, right, Earth. 71% of Earth is covered by water. How much? 71%. But do you know among that 71%, right? Yeah, already it is shown. Among this 71%, how much is fresh water, how much is salt water? 71% of Earth is surrounded by water. In that 71%, 97% is only salt water. We cannot use 97% of water. It is salt water. Only 3% is fresh water. Clear? Hi Sai Srinivas, beta, hi. Anita says Menti. We will go for it, don't worry. So once again I repeat, 71% of Earth is covered by water. Out of that 71%, 97% is unusable, salt water. Only 3% is usable. So do you know this concept of how much salt is there in water is called as salinity. Generally salinity as they call it. Salinity is mentioned or present or measured by every 1000 grams of water. What is the salinity? In ocean, generally the salinity is 35 parts for every 100, for every 1000. So that means for every 1000 grams, 35 grams will be salt. For every 1000 grams, 35 grams will be salt. Correct? This is called salinity. Guys, is everyone understanding what is salinity now? Hi Kim, how are you? Potable and fresh water more or less the same, but fresh water itself, something is safe, something is not safe. But potable is safe drinking water. Fresh water, it's not just used for drinking, it can be used for any consumption. Domestic consumption, washing clothes also is fresh water. Correct? But potable is safe drinking water. Clear? Right. So I hope everyone is clear about salinity. Guys, distribution of water percentage. 97, I told you, right? Almost 97.3% unusable salt water, oceans. Ice caps 2%. The remaining 1%, look at the split. Groundwater, fresh water, seas, lakes, atmosphere. Wow, how is water distributed? Are you able to see this? How is water distribution across our planet? Hi Anita Kannan, thank you beta. Guys, there is a place called Dead Sea. What is it called? Dead Sea. That's in Israel. That is the place where maximum salinity is there. On average, oceans have 35 grams per 1000, right? But here it is 340, almost 10 times. 340 grams per liter of water. So swimmers can even float in it in Dead Sea because water salt content is so high. Are you getting it? Dead Sea, it is in Israel. Salinity is at the maximum. Alright, the last part, ocean circulation, before we jump to a Menti. Guys, ocean water keeps moving continuously and never stops. And this movement of ocean water, you can categorize it in three ways. One is called waves, one is called tide, one is called current. So there are three different movements of water in the ocean: waves, tides and currents. Guys, let me ask you this. Any idea what is the difference between waves, tides, currents? Waves, tides and currents. I'll make it very simple. I'm not going to get into very deeper details. Wind is there, right? Because of the wind, movement of water in the sea, you call that as waves. Because of the winds, right, other factors, the water keeps moving in the sea. You call that movement as waves, right? Tides are, there is gravitational pull on the earth because of sun as well as moon. Sun as well as moon, they exert a lot of gravitational pull on the earth, because of which you have two kind of movement of the water: high tides and low tides, correct? Alright, they are called as tides. Tides are movement of water, rise and fall, right? Because of the gravitational pull exerted by the sun and the moon on the earth. That is tides. The third is current. Current is very simple. As a result of tide, right, water keeps moving, right? Water, see, tide is like this, we all know it. But when as a result of the tide, you see water keeps moving horizontally. Tide keeps moving vertically, right? They go like this, correct? But as a result of that, water keeps moving like this. That horizontal movement is called as currents. Large amount of water, when they keep moving horizontally as a result of these tides and other factors, you call that as current. Now is everyone clear what are waves, what are tides, what are currents? Hi Stanton, how are you? Stanton Lamo. Kushagra, hi. So I hope everyone is super clear now. Give me a yo guys if you are all clear. Hey Stanton. Super. Now, do you know March 22nd is celebrated as World Water Day? Because we need to be reminded very often that we have to conserve, save water in all possible ways. March 22nd, World Water Day. We have to conserve water, save it in all possible ways. We are done. So guys, time for homework and then a Menti. So what is the homework for today? Water vapor, true or false? Water vapor is the gaseous form of water. Ocean water cannot be used for domestic purpose. 51% of Earth's surface is covered by water. So top 3 people, first 3 to answer this homework. Alright, I will take your names tomorrow. So which one is true, which one is false? You have to mention. Cool? Guys, time for a Menti, all of you. Menti time. So go to, open a separate browser window. Go to the website www.menti.com. M-E-N, men, women, right? Menti, M-E-N-T-I. Menti.com. Once you go there, it's going to ask you for a code. Please enter the code it will ask. Type this code 71860369. I repeat 71860369. Cool? Okay, I am getting into a Menti, guys. Be ready, all of you. I see only 40 people here. Come on, guys. Where are the others? Faster. Sheetal, I completed the classes for 6th only yesterday. Monday, Tuesday is 6th. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is 7th. Love with cricket. I am a cricket fanatic. So I love cricket as well. Guys, 15 seconds. First question will hit your screen, so be ready. What is PSU? Ranjani, where did you see this? Generally PSU means public sector units. I don't know which PSU you are referring to. 10 more seconds. Five seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Here I go. First question on your screen. There are 5 in total. Water cycle does not involve which of the following? Evaporation, condensation, formation of clouds, rainwater harvesting. One among this does not or is not a part of water cycle. Rainwater is normal. Ruchika, it's not salty. Good. Rainwater harvesting has nothing to do with water cycle, right? So one question is over. I'm just going to mention who is at the top. Karan is at the top. Wow. Alright. Seangshu, Sub, Chaitanya and BTS. 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Samita, Sampurna, Stavya, Ishan and Nandan. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Question 2 on your screens now. Hi, Stanton from Ladakh. Wow, wow, wow. Gifted guy. Which one of the following is an artificial enclosure for keeping small plants, house plants? Is that called a terrarium, thermosphere, climate, evaporation? Look at the options. You can easily find it out, right? Dumb options. Savita, beta. 71860369 beta. So how many of you chose option A? Everyone. Great. So 2 questions are done and I see Sehangshu. No, Sub is at the top. Sub, Sehangshu, Samita, Chaitanya, Ishit, top 5. Ishan, Sampurna, Darsh, Anshika and Nandan. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey guys, question 3, just 2 more to go. Be ready. Here it is, popping on your screens. Water is found in, what are the options? Solid form, liquid form, gaseous form, all the forms. Tricky. Think and choose wisely. Ruchika, beta, the code should work, beta. Refresh your page, it should work. I like Harry Potter, not a, I would say very, not a very avid fan actually. Wow, what is it? It's found in all form. Guys, we all know what is in liquid form. If you take an ice cube, water is in solid form. Correct? If you take air, right? Evaporated water, steams, water is in gaseous form. Correct? So water is found in all the forms. So 3 questions are done. I see Sehangshu at the top again. Sehangshu, Sampurna, Sab, Ishrit and Anshika, top 5. Adit, Rimjen, Chaitanya, Ishan, Sinchan. Question 4, only one more question to go, guys. Buckle up, all of you. So we have about 0.68% of water as groundwater. We have about 0.68% of water as groundwater. True or false? This is more of a GK question, guys. Yeah, true, it is. Groundwater only 0.68. I showed you that. Remember the table which I showed you. Distribution of water. Sampurna at the top, followed by Adit, Anshika, Rimjan, Chaitanya, top 5. Ishit, Ishan, Akanksha, Nandan and Dash. Guys, are you ready for the final tamale? Here it is on your screens now. Super gamers, hi beta. Water Day is celebrated on 21st March, 23rd March, 22nd March, none of the above. Water Day. Guys, remember. So I want you guys to remember and choose the right one, most of you, if not all. All of you would be the right way, actually. I spoke about it so many times. 22nd March. How many of you chose option? Wow, wow, wow. That's like my rock star boys and girls here. Almost everyone. Super. You know what? It's heartening to see this kind of an answer. That means you guys have listened and you remember. So who's winning? Looks like Adit is winning. Adit, Rimjan. Adit, great job beta. Great job done. Congratulations. Rimjan, Anshika, Shit, Ishan, top 5. Nandan, BTS, TT Amy, Lasya, Madhumitra. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, everyone in the leaderboard, kudos to all of you. Keep it up. There could have been so many of you who got the right answers, but your name is not here. It's okay. Just try practicing more, you will get it. But you guys are also winners. Keep it up. Every one of you guys, apologies for the tech issue in between, but I hope you liked the session and you are very clear. Alright, we dealt with introduction of water, distribution of water bodies as well, right? Very clearly. So, if you have liked the session, please hit the like button and let me know you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. I will meet you tomorrow with part 2 of this lovely chapter. So, guys, all of you, I want everyone to be there tomorrow. Will you be? Thank you so much for joining the session. I hope you have liked the session as well. And I will meet you tomorrow. Until then, this is myself, Sundar Rabindranathan, signing off, kids. Take care. Bye-bye, my dear kids. Have a lovely, lovely evening.